A Blue Willow is an AI image creation tool in which we can create multiple images like this one. And the best thing is it is completely free. So let's begin. So the first step is, first of all, we need to open Blue Willow AI in a Discord. So let's open this. Discord is a platform for communication and collaboration with its users. Now accept the invitation and if you already have a Discord account, you will be taken into this chat, or if you don't have, first of all you need to create an account. Now it is very too easy to create an image in this. The step 2 is we need to find a rocky room here in this section and select the active room from any of these. So I am going to select this, and here we can create our image. To create our image, first of all we need to enter our prompt here in this bar. So let's write something here, and for this we need to write /imagine a prompt. I am going to select this and then write a description of your image. So I am going to write a 2 boy standing in front of moon at night in 4K. So let's enter this, and here it is. This is what a Blue Willow create for us, and here we can see our message is highlighted with lighter color or yellow line, so we can easily find from so many messages. And here Blue Willow create 4 images for our prompt, and we can also create many variations of image 1, image 2, image 3 or image 4. And if we choose U, it will scale the image in full resolution. So I want more variation of image 2, so I am going to select V2. And now I am going to show you the another trick to find our image. So for this, go to this inbox, and then here it is our image. Then click on this jump. Then select your image. I am going to select this one. For this I am going to select this U3, and here it is. Now let's download this. To download, click on this image and open it in browser. Then click on save images and then download it. So this is how we can create a stunning images using a Blue Willow. I hope you enjoy this video. If you found any valuable information in this video, so don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.